Welcome back to the Nightcap, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be making a tasty treat, the Kentucky Mule, which is just going to be a little bit change up on the traditional Moscow Mule. So simple drink, easy to make. Don't let it scare you because you get the fancy glass. We're going to go with 2 ounces of Kentucky bourbon, ½ ounce of lime juice, and then we're going to top it off with ginger beer. It's as simple as that. So we'll go ahead and get started. So get your Moscow Mule glass over here, and it's going to keep things nice and cold. We actually have the ice inside of it already. As you've seen from previous drinks, I just like to pour the drink on top of the ice from the get-go instead of putting the ice in the end. So ½ ounce of lime juice. Go ahead and down the hatch we go. Thank you. Next, we'll be doing 2 ounces of bourbon. Today we'll be doing bullet bourbon. So we'll go with the 2 ounces. Right down there. Great. Now, pretty simple. Ginger beer. Let's crack that open. Top it off. That'll work. And then we just stir. Simple drink. So let's just get this cold. You'll notice this outside is getting colder and colder when you're making it yourself. It starts to frost up a bit. It's one of the great things of this particular mug for the mule. There we go. And then we will just go ahead and top it with a lime pinwheel. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.